What is up, you guys? It's your boy Jason and welcome back to MyGlamm. Today is International Video Games Day. So, I'm gonna do a look inspired from a video game, and that is PUBG. It's a video game that's going bonkers and literally everywhere. It's blown on the internet, all over the globe, and everybody's crazy about it. So I'm gonna use that game as my reference, and this is the image that I'm gonna use as my reference. So as you see, it's a lot of black, a lot of military green, a pop of yellow and orange. I hope you guys like it.